To make changes to a Wix website after publishing, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your site editor. The site editor is where you can make all the necessary changes to your website. First, click on the Edit Site button to enter the editor. Once you are in the editor, you can make changes to your website's content, layout, and design. You can add or remove pages, change the text and images, and adjust the site's settings. To make changes to a specific page, click on the page in the site editor and make the necessary changes. You can add new elements such as text, images, and videos by clicking on the add icon and selecting the element you want to add. If you want to change the layout of your website, you can use the drag and drop feature to move elements around. You can also use the layout options to change the spacing and alignment of elements. When you are finished making changes, click on the Publish button to update your live website. Note that any changes you make will only be visible on your live website after you click Publish. It is also important to regularly back up your website to avoid losing any changes in case something goes wrong. Wix automatically backs up your website, but you can also manually back up your website by clicking on the settings icon and selecting the backup option. In addition, make sure to test your website after making changes to ensure that everything is working as expected. Check for any broken links, formatting issues, and functionality problems. By following these steps, you can easily make changes to your Wix website after publishing and keep your website up to date. And looking its best, remember to always save and publish your changes to ensure that they are visible on your live website.